Mazda has been recording pretty impressive sales numbers lately, and with the lineup that just keeps getting better, there's no doubt that the same trend will continue through the next year. Of course, an important piece of that puzzle is the CX-50, which has already established itself as a formidable player in the segment, but now is coming with further upgrades to silence the critics. The 2026 Mazda CX-50 solves every owner complaint. Let's take a closer look. Design. Mazda clearly understands that the CX-50's distinctive styling is one of its greatest assets, so they haven't messed with a winning formula. Instead, they've refined the design with subtle but meaningful upgrades that enhance its premium appeal while reinforcing its adventurous character. The front end maintains its confident stance, but now features a revised grille with a more textured pattern that adds depth and sophistication. The narrow LED headlights have been slightly redesigned with new lighting signatures that give the vehicle an even more fearless expression. The side profile remains largely unchanged, preserving that perfect balance between rugged capability and sophisticated styling that makes the CX-50 stand out from every angle. What's new for 2026 is the addition of two exclusive colors, Volcanic Red and Arctic Silver, both of which complement the vehicle's bold stance perfectly. The rear gets subtle updates with redesigned LED taillights that feature a slightly more horizontal orientation, emphasizing the vehicle's width and planted stance. The Meridian Edition returns with even more distinctive elements, including newly designed 20-inch machine-finished alloy wheels with bronze accents that perfectly match the exclusive bronze exterior trim pieces. This special edition also features all-terrain tires and specific design elements that highlight its off-road credentials. The overall effect is a vehicle that looks more premium than ever, while still projecting an unmistakable sense of adventure and capability. What truly sets the CX-50 apart from competitors is how it manages to look upscale without becoming pretentious. It's refined enough to park in front of a five-star hotel, but rugged enough to tackle a weekend of camping, a balance that few vehicles in this segment manage to achieve. Premium materials, practical solutions. Step inside the 2026 CX-50, and you'll immediately notice Mazda's commitment to addressing owner feedback. The interior maintains its upscale feel with high-quality materials throughout, but now offers improved rear seat comfort, directly addressing one of the few complaints about the previous model. The rear bench has been redesigned with more supportive cushioning and a slightly different contour that maximizes passenger comfort on longer journeys. The front seats continue to offer exceptional support, now with standard heating on all but the base trim and ventilation available on premium trims and above. Mazda has also improved the quality of the leather upholstery on higher trims, using a more supple material that feels genuinely luxurious. The Meridian Edition receives exclusive terracotta interior accents with contrasting stitching that gives the cabin a distinctive character. Another improvement comes in the form of redesigned storage solutions. The center console now features a more thoughtful layout with adjustable dividers, addressing complaints about organizing smaller items. Door pockets have been enlarged to accommodate larger water bottles, and the wireless charging pad has been redesigned to better secure phones of various sizes, solving a common frustration with the previous model. While cargo space wasn't class-leading in the outgoing model, Mazda has made the most of the available space with a redesigned cargo area, though the numbers remain similar at 31.4 cubic feet behind the second row and 56.3 cubic feet with seats folded. The usability has been improved with a lower lift-over height and a more versatile configuration system. New adjustable cargo rails and tie-down points make securing various loads easier, while an available power liftgate with hands-free operation is now standard on more trim levels. What truly impresses about the CX-50's interior is how it delivers premium quality at mainstream prices. Materials that wouldn't look out of place in vehicles costing $15,000 more are used throughout the cabin, with attention to detail that's rare in this segment. Tech and safety features. For 2026, Mazda has addressed virtually every technology complaint from current owners. The infotainment system receives a significant upgrade with faster processing and more intuitive menus, while maintaining the perfect balance between touchscreen functionality and physical controls. The standard 10.3-inch display is positioned high on the dashboard to minimize driver distraction, and now features improved touch sensitivity when using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. One of the biggest improvements is the addition of Mazda's new generation voice control system, which responds to natural language commands more effectively than the previous version. You can now adjust climate settings, input navigation destinations, or control audio functions using conversational language rather than specific command phrases. The digital instrument cluster has been refined with more customizable displays and improved legibility, while the available head-up display projects more information without cluttering the driver's forward view. The Bose premium audio system has been retuned for 2026, delivering even more impressive sound quality with perfect clarity at highway speeds. Safety features receive meaningful improvements improvements as well. Every 2026 CX-50 comes with Mazda's latest iActive Sense safety suite, now enhanced with more sophisticated sensors and improved algorithms. The automatic emergency braking system has been upgraded with better nighttime pedestrian and cyclist detection, addressing a minor shortcoming of the previous system. Lane keeping assist and adaptive cruise control systems have been refined to provide more natural intervention, eliminating the occasional abruptness some owners reported with the previous models. The available 360-degree camera system has been improved with higher resolution displays and enhanced night vision capability. New for 2026 is a transparent hood feature that creates a virtual view of the terrain beneath the front of the vehicle, particularly useful when navigating off-road obstacles or tight parking situations. Powertrain and performance. Enhanced efficiency without compromise. Mazda continues to offer multiple powertrain options with the 2026 CX-50, but each has received meaningful improvements. The standard 2.5-liter naturally aspirated four-cylinder now produces 191 horsepower, up from 187, and 186 pound-feet of torque thanks to refined engine mapping and a new intake system. Fuel economy has improved slightly to 25 miles per gallon city and 31 miles per gallon highway. The turbocharged 2.5-liter engine sees more significant enhancements, now delivering 264 horsepower and 330 pound-feet of torque, increases of 8 horsepower and 10 pound-feet over the outgoing model. This additional power translates to even more impressive acceleration, with the 0 to 60 miles per hour time dropping to just 6.2 seconds. Despite the power increase, fuel economy remains at 23 miles per gallon city and 29 miles per gallon highway. The hybrid powertrain, which debuted last year, has been refined for 2026 with improved integration between the gasoline engine and electric motors. Total system output remains at 219 horsepower, but more efficient power delivery results in slightly better acceleration and improved fuel economy of 37 miles per gallon combined, making it one of the efficiency leaders in the class full of efficient competitors. All CX-50 models continue to feature Mazda's iActive all-wheel drive system as standard, now with enhanced off-road capability thanks to revised programming. The MI drive system has been expanded with a new Smart Off-Road mode that automatically adjusts various vehicle parameters based on terrain conditions, simplifying the driving experience when venturing off the pavement. What truly sets the CX-50 apart from virtually every competitor is its driving dynamics. While most compact SUVs handle like the utilitarian vehicles they are, the CX-50 delivers a genuinely engaging driving experience with precise steering, excellent body control, and a well-balanced chassis. For 2026, Mazda has slightly retuned the suspension to improve ride comfort on rougher surfaces, without compromising the vehicle's impressive handling capabilities, which remain the best in this highly competitive segment. Towing capacity remains at 2,000 pounds for the standard engine and 3,500 pounds for the turbocharged version, enough to handle a small boat or camper trailer with ease. Release date and price. Mazda has announced that the 2026 CX-50 will arrive at dealerships later this year, with production continuing at the company's Huntsville, Alabama facility. Pricing will remain competitive, starting at around $32,500 for the base Select trim and ranging up to $46,000 for the fully loaded Turbo Premium Plus. The sweet spot in the lineup will likely be the Turbo Meridian Edition at approximately $43,500, which combines the powerful turbocharged engine with exclusive styling elements and enhanced off-road capability. For those prioritizing efficiency, the hybrid premium trim at around $39,500 offers an excellent balance of features, performance, and fuel economy. What Mazda has accomplished with the 2026 CX-50 is truly great, addressing owner complaints while enhancing the features that already made it special. By combining rugged capability, premium quality, and genuine driving pleasure in a compelling package, the CX-50 continues to prove that you don't need to spend luxury money to get a luxury experience. But the CX-50 isn't the only model in the class that's coming with important upgrades for the next year. Check out this video about the reasons to wait for the 2026 Subaru Forester, which you can now see on the screen. The popular SUV is finally getting electrified, which could, along with other updates, further improve already respectable sales figures. Thanks for watching and see you next time.